So the way that we're going to plot the graph is first we're going to scale the graph. Okay, we're going to scale everything. Okay. Okay, we're going to make sure that we know how many spaces we leave in between every value. So we have to make sure that all the values are equally spaced out when you're making the graph.
Okay.
Okay, and you can make it according to however many values that you have. So, let's say you have only 5 values over here, right? You have the biggest value over here is 5, right? So you can put 5 over here. So you can make make big gaps between each of these values, right? Because you only have to fit in 5 values. But if you had to fit in more values, then you would not leave so many spaces. Okay, so you have to make the graph in such a way that you leave an appropriate amount of values, okay? Sorry, appropriate amount of spaces in between values.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So for the months, on the x-axis, maybe after, since we only have 3 months over here, and the graph is very big, so we can fit it in properly. So after 3 boxes, okay, maybe 4 boxes, I put in the first mark and I label that as January. Okay. And the second one, since I left 4 boxes over here, I could have put January over here as well and then left 4 boxes, but I chose to put it over here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the first month that I put over here was January, and I left 4 boxes. Can you tell me how many boxes I'm going to leave for the next month?
5.
Why?
Because
I told you that they have to be equally spaced out. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So they have to be equally spaced out. Yes. And how are they going to be equally spaced out?
Like you put them not near each other.
Okay. But you have to make the difference equal. So if this is 4 boxes, this is also going to be 4 boxes.
Okay.
Okay. So where do I put the next month?
4 boxes away.
4 boxes away. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have this 4 boxes away. Okay.
Okay.
So, sorry, Jan. I'm sorry. I made a tiny mistake. I didn't label them properly. The first month was supposed to be November because we're starting our research from November. So this is going to be November, and this is going to be December. And this after
January.
Yes, it's going to be January. Good. And then how are we going to scale this? What's the appropriate way to scale this to make sure that our graph is not too big and not too small? Let's start from maybe 4 boxes over here as well. Do you think that will work? Or would that be too much? Would we be able to fit this in?
No, I think 2 boxes away.
2 boxes away. Okay, good. So this would be 1. This would be 2. This would be 3. This would be 4. And then this would be 5. Okay?
Okay.
Now you help me plot the graph, the fun part. Can you tell me where I'm going to make the mark for November?
For November, do you see where is 4? Just go up. Do you know where is November? Just put a line that goes up until number 4. And then there you should do a dot.
Okay, good. So basically, the way you would write it would be, you would make these lines over here. Wait a second, let me do it with green so that you can see it. So over here, November, can you see it properly? Can you see the lines that I'm making?
No.
No? Okay, can you see them now?
Yes, but they're so small.
They're small? Okay, let's make them big then. Can you see them now?
Yes, now I can.
Okay, so where you marked November, you're gonna move upwards and you're gonna keep moving upwards till you reach...
Until number 4.
Yes, and here's number
And then
4.
there, you can do a dot there.
And there, then you can do a dot. Yes, very good. So you have a perfect dot over here. Okay?
Okay.
And what about December?
December, you just go up until number 5.
Okay, so you're gonna go up.
Then you can do a dot there.
Okay, so I do a dot directly?
Yes.
Okay, so it's gonna be over here?
Yes.
Okay, so this is gonna be for number 5. So the dot is gonna be for number 5 and December. And then what about January?
January, you just go a little bit down from number 4. It's 3. You just, yeah, there. You can just go there and you can just do a dot.
You can do a dot. Good. Very good. So now that we have plotted all the dots, can you help me plot the graph? Can you join the dots for me? So since our graph starts over here, it doesn't start over here. You know, if we had something over here, it would start over here, but it starts over here because our first x-axis value is over here, right? So we're gonna join these dots. So this, and then
do I do the graph now?
This is your graph.
I know, but do I draw it?
Yes, you can draw it. You can also take a screenshot.
Okay.